The Cotonou Partnership Agreement between Africa, Caribbean and Pacific countries, ACP, and the EU will expire in 2020.
Civil society groups from Africa, Europe and the Caribbean, Pacific regions have met in Accra to discuss a replacement of the agreement.
The Cotonou Partnership Agreement (ACP) was signed in June 2000 and will end in 2020. It is the most comprehensive partnership agreement between developing countries and the European Union. Since 2000, it has been the framework for EU's relation with 79 countries from Africa, Caribbean and the Pacific. It aims to reduce and eventually eradicate poverty, support sustainable economic, cultural and social development in ACP countries, and facilitate the gradual integration of the economies into the world economy. The Third World Network say, though the European Union declared its readiness to negotiate, West Africa did not have a negotiating mandate of its own and simply took a copy of the EU negotiating mandate and made reactions to it in order not to repeat the mistakes of the past, which the Third World Network described as unfair. A seminar, dubbed Consultative Seminar on Post-Cotonou, was held in Accra. High on the agenda was on aid, trade and investment, as well as issues of equitable and inclusive development. Participants from West Africa, East Africa, Southern Africa and Central Africa, Caribbean, Pacific and Europe attended the seminar.
The results of the EPA agreement that we have here, even in Ghana, are terribly bad for our economy. We have said that many times, we'll continue to say that. We are hoping that the governments will learn their lessons from their EPA experiences to approach the coming negotiations better. Otherwise, we return to the same rotten deal.
At the end of a 3-day seminar, a signed declaration by the participants on their post-Cotonou concerns and demand will also be adopted and used as a campaign message.